Satin Liquid Metallic Tungsten Gray is a brand new color change PPF film that I want to share with you guys today from our friends at Inozetek. I'm Ellie from T-sportline, and we've been doing a lot of Cybertruck content lately, wrapping them in many different colors. And the leaders in this category, like Inozetek, just keep coming with so many new colors. And we are so excited to share all these new color change PPF film choices with you guys. As you can see, this complete Cybertruck has been wrapped in this new tungsten gray color. This is the satin variant. They also make a gloss version, which is super cool too, and I can't wait to do one of those. But satin is very popular with Cybertruck owners, and I get it. It's because the Cybertruck has all these beautiful creases, all these design lines. And when you have a vehicle that has those lines, a satin wrap or a matte wrap truly accentuates this beautiful design element, and it looks absolutely great on a Cybertruck. Completely wrapped, color change, embossed Foundation Series badges, and my favorite, 24-inch CTM wheels finished in satin black. And that's the perfect match with this satin wrap and all the cladding and bumpers that are on this Cybertruck. To go ahead and finish off this video, let's talk about the investment and really what it does for you as an added value of an owner of a vehicle that you actually have wrapped using PPF film. It doesn't have to be a color change PPF. It could be clear or stealth. But if you have T-sportline do it, you get an added value. T-sportline is recognized by Carfax, and on your Carfax report, it will say that you had your vehicle wrapped in PPF, an added value when it comes to resale, and it was done by T-sportline, who is certified and recognized by Carfax as the authority in PPFing a vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. If you love our Cybertruck content and all of our other Tesla content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have so much more amazing videos coming your way soon.